Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will be unboxing my Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G phone. Let's see what's inside the box and I will show you the setup plus will share you some of the review videos, and in the end please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So guys, let's see what's inside the box. So this is the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. And this is about the Samsung Care, some information about the product. This is the wall charger. It's a fast charger, super fast charger they are saying. So that's another one. And this is the charging cable. And this is the earphone. So it's a pretty much good. So this is the nice phone. So this is the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 256 GB phone, and this is in the bronze color and 6.9 inches display, and it has a 1 terabyte of extendable memory. So let's start. So let's do the setup. Few legal terms to review and just say I agree to all. Click next. It's giving the Wi-Fi which one I should connect. So now it's asking me for the password. So it's connected now. So click the next. So it's checking for any update. So you can copy your apps from your previous backup. So it's giving the option how you want to connect from your old phone, whether you can connect wired or through the wireless mode. I am transferring the data from my old phone, so through the NFC technology. So my old phone is asking permission to connect to the new phone. See, this is the beauty of this technology. From the old phone through the NFC technology, it's transferring all the data from my old phone to the new phone. See, it's giving me the time, like how long it will take to transfer the data. So now the setup is all complete. So this is the beautiful phone. So this is 6.9 inches display with the 12 GB of RAM. and this is compatible to 5G network, and it has a dual SIM. One is eSIM, the other one is a nano SIM. On the right side is the just a power button and plus the volume button up and down, and the bottom is a stylus plus the speaker, charging port and the mic. On the left is no button. On the top is the tray for SIM card and micro SD card. It has 108 megapixel of wide camera, 12 megapixel telephoto, 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, and on the front it has a 10 megapixel of selfie camera. So this camera has a 50x zoom and it can take 8K of the video recording, which is super clear video. So this mobile has 256 GB of internal memory and it can support up to 1 terabyte of micro SD card for external memory. This is the video quality. So this is 8K quality video. This is Ultra HD 60 frames per second video. This is super steady on. So this is the autofocus test. See, the horses are blurred now.